How to add, subtract, divide, multiply in Excel. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. Super easy once you know the formulas. So let's just get started with the video. We can start by opening up Excel with the data that we have. For example, I have added two values here. You can open up any data document that you would like to have the calculations for. Now here, first of all, let's start with the sum, let's say adding it. So for that, we have two different formulas. One is you can type in is equal to and directly select the data. For example, A2, after that select plus, and then select the next value, which is this one right here. You can just go over and select it and hit enter, and it will give you the result that you're looking for. This is one of the methods. Apart from that, we can use another method, which is you can type in is equal to and type in sum, and inside bracket you can select the data that you would like to add and type in another data, select another data and close the bracket and hit enter, and it will give you the value that you're looking for. And others, you can just go over and drag and drop the data. Once you've selected it, you can just go over, select the data and drag and drop it like this, and it will give you the value directly. Now let's head over to subtract. So in order to subtract also, you can follow the similar formula. You can type in is equal to and select your first data that you would like to subtract. After that, type in minus and select the second data and then hit enter, and it will give you the answer that you're looking for. And you can just go and look out for it, and you can expand it, and that will give you the value that you're looking for. Now for divide, what we can do is we can just go over and type in is equal to and directly select the first data that we'd like to divide with the second data, type in slash and 12 and hit enter, and it will give you the value. Now again, you can just go and drag and drop, and then it will give you the value that you are looking for, and you can apply the changes. Now let's head over to the third one, which is for multiply. So for multiply, what you can do is you can type in is equal to and select the first data and type in asterisk. After that, select the second data and hit enter, and it will give you the value that you're looking for. And again, you can just go over and drag and drop it like this, and it will give you the answer that you're looking for. And that's it. You just need to apply many formula, apply formula to many rows and drag the small square fill handle down to copy it to other rows, and it will give you the answer. But usually these are the formulas you can apply to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in Excel. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.